I have designed this course to be as engaging and visually explanatory with beginners and intermediate alike. Even if you are an advanced user, I think the contents of this class will give you a fresh perspective on how to approach modeling. Regardless of who you are, like any art course, you can't digest a big chunk of food in one go. It's a step-by-step process. Don't be afraid to rewatch the video if something is not clear. I'm taking a lot of courses myself. I can't stress how many times, even when the lessons are perfectly clear, during practice, why my code is not working, or the sketch, the dot doesn't look quite right. I revise the lesson, Google it, ask questions, and try again. Moreover, I take a break to avoid burnout. Return refreshed, repeat the process until the aha moment click. What matters the most is never rush, especially in the construction phase. I strongly encourage you to take advantage of the instant capture tools to share and ask questions in the discussion board. Yazoo is a fantastic tool. You just install it, hit Ctrl+Shift+C, drag the region you want to capture. Boom! All you have to do is just paste the link in the discussion board. No need for print screen, edit, and upload. Yazoo instantly do this for you with one hotkey. Best of all, you can instantly share a video in the same manner. Just hit Ctrl+Shift+G instead. Awesome! If you want to show us what is going on at your site so we can better help you out. The only downside, it has 10-second limit. Jink is an alternative that supports up to 5 minutes. I personally prefer Yazoo. It feels to me ultra lightweight and more bandwidth friendly. Either way, these two apps are great tools to utilize for our purpose. The course comes with a cheat sheet with a list of functionalities we'll use throughout our course, such as extrude and scale. Keep it in an easy to access place. I suggest pinning it to a quick access menu if you are using Windows 10, or pin it against the start menu. Or better, print it out. To make it easier for beginners, during the first handful of lecture, I shall mention the shortcut for each functionality along with visual displays. Though at some point I will stop as it becomes more familiar to keep the videos concise. If you find yourself forgetting the hotkeys, do refer to the cheat sheet. Or revise the Blender fundamental lesson, which is coming next. This is very handy if you pause the course for a long period of time and want to resume without the need to start all over. Last but not least, take a big advantage of Anki. It's a digital cross-platform flashcard. If you remember the old days of school back in the bus, well, don't worry, you don't need to cram any in your pocket. It's already in your phone. More details next class. Don't skip. I think it's a very interesting way to add a new means of learning to a course, and perhaps the most fun getting out from the class. See you there.